Exercise 3.7, first question. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 and 69 kgs. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So what you have to find is highest value. ठीक है, maximum value पूछा है, it means you have to find highest value, and they have asked exact number of times. It means that number should be a factor of these two numbers. Like weight is given, weights of 2 bags are given 75 kg and 69 kg. You have to find maximum value which is the factor of both these numbers. So what you will find is HCF of 75 and 69. How will you find? You can either find by division method or prime factorization. HCF is equals to 75 and prime factorization of 69. अब 75 की prime factorization you will start from 3. So it will be 25, 5 and 5. And prime factorization of 69, 3, 23. Now 23 is a prime number. So 23. So prime factorization of 75 is 3 into 5 into 5. And 69 is 3 into 23. So you have to find the common factor. So 3 is coming common in prime factorization of both the numbers. So HCF of these two numbers is 3. So at last you will write the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer is 3 kg. The statement given in the question, the same statement you have to write at the end of the answer. Second question. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63, 70 and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? So first you have to write the measure of all the steps. Measure of step of first boy 63 centimeter. Same you will write for second boy 70 centimeter, and same for third boy 77 centimeter. Now they have asked minimum distance. Minimum you have to find. So minimum distance is equal to LCM. LCM में L stands for least, minimum, least. So you will find LCM of all these three numbers. So LCM of 63, 70 and 77 is, you will find the LCM. First you will go with 2, 63, 35, 77. Then with 3, 21, 35, 77. Again with 3, 7, 35, 77. Now with 5, 7, 7, 77. 7, 1, 1, 11. Last one is 11. 1, 1, 1. The LCM of these three numbers will be the product of these factors. So LCM is equals to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. So the answer is coming 6930 centimeter. So at last again you will write the same statement given in the question. The minimum distance each boy should cover so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps is 6930 centimeter. Third question. Length, breadth and height of a room are 825, 675 and 450 centimeter. Find the longest tape which can measure the three dimensions of the room exactly. Now you have to find longest. Longest means you will find highest common factor. Fine. First you will write the dimensions. Length of the room is given 825 centimeter. Breadth of the room is given 675 centimeter. And height of the room is given 450 centimeter. Now you have to find the longest. So you will find HCF of 825, 675 and 450. So you will find the prime factorizations 825, 675 and 450. So we'll start with 825. First we'll go by 3. 275, then 5, 55, then 5, 11 and then 11. So next is 675. First it will go by 3, 225, again 3, 75, again 3, 25, then 5, again 5. Next 450. First it will go by 2, 225, 375, 325, 5 and then 5. So you will write the prime factorizations of these three numbers. So 825 is equals to 3 into 5 into 5 into 11. 675 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 450 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So common factors will be 3 and then 5 and then one more 5. So it will be 3 into 5 into 5. So HCF is equals to 75 centimeter. Fourth question. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So you need a number which is divisible by these three numbers. It means that number should be multiple of these three numbers. It should be smallest and it should be multiple. So you will find least common multiple, that is LCM of 6, 8 and 12. So LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is, first we'll start with 2, again 2, again 2 and now 3. So now LCM is the product of all these factors. So it will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which is equals to 24. So LCM is 24, but we need a multiple which is a 3-digit number, but it is a 2-digit number. So now if this is a multiple of these three numbers, then all the multiples of 24 will also be the multiples of 6, 8 and 12. So what we'll do is we'll find a multiple of 24 which is a 3-digit number. So 24 into 2 is 48, 24 into 3 is 72, 24 into 4 is 96, and 24 into 5 is 120. So 120 is a multiple of 24. Also 120 is a 3-digit number, and 120 is the smallest 3-digit multiple of 24. Okay, there does not exist any multiple of 24 which is less than 120 and is a 3-digit number. So answer of this question is 120. Fifth question, determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Again you have to find a number which is divisible by 8, 10 and 12. It means you need a multiple of 8, 10 and 12. You will find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. We'll start with 2. So now LCM is equals to product of 2, 2, 2, 3 and 5, and the product is equals to 120. And now you have to find a 3-digit common multiple. You have got a 3-digit common multiple of 8, 10 and 12. But in the question one more word is there, greatest. It means the multiple should be a 3-digit number, but it should be the greatest one. कि इससे बड़ा कोई मल्टीपल नहीं होना चाहिए जो 3-digit नंबर हो. It means again we'll find a multiple of 120, because multiple of 120 will also be the multiple of 8, 10 and 12. So 120 into 8, 120 into 8 is 960, and 120 into 9 is equals to 1080. When we are multiplying 120 by 9, we are getting a 4-digit number, but we need a 3-digit number. So what we'll do, we'll multiply 120 by 8. So it will be equal to 960. So 960 is the greatest 3-digit common multiple of 8, 10 and 12. So this is the answer. Sixth question. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48, 72 and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what time will they change simultaneously again? Simultaneously means ek saath, together. So we'll find the common multiple of 48, 72 and 108. (48, 72, 108). We'll start from 2. 24, 36, 54. 12, 18, 27. 6, 9, 27. 3, 9, 27. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3. So LCM of these three numbers will be product of 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 3. So it will be equal to 432 seconds. So after 432 seconds, the lights will change simultaneously. We have converted seconds into minutes. So after 7 minutes 12 seconds, the light will change simultaneously. So initially light changed at 7 a.m. So now the time will be, this time was given 7 a.m. है ना? But now we have to add 7 minutes 12 seconds to 7 a.m. कि 7 o'clock पे lights were changing. So after 7 minutes 12 seconds, what will be the time? 7 hour 7 minutes 12 seconds a.m. So this is the answer. 7th question. 3 tankers contains 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel exact number of times. Maximum you have to find, it means you have to find highest common factor, HCF. So HCF of all the three numbers you have to find, 403, 434 and 465. It is equal to, you have to find prime factorization of all these three numbers, 403, 434, 465. Now start with, this is 13, 31, 31, 1. So this one will be 2, 217, 7, 31, 31, 3, 155, 31, 31. So we will write the prime factorizations of all three numbers. 13, 31, 434 is equals to 2 into 7 into 31. 465 is equals to 3 into 5 into 31. So which factor is common in all these three factorizations? 31. So HCF of these three numbers is 31. 8th question. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leaves remainder 5 in each case. So you have to find a least number. It means you have to find least common multiple. Of 6, you have to find LCM of 6, 15 and 18, which leaves a remainder 5 after dividing. So it means when we'll divide that number by any of these three numbers, the remainder should be 5. So what we'll do is, first we'll find the LCM of these three numbers and then we'll add 5 to it. So from 2, then 3, again 3 and then 5. So LCM is equals to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 90. And now 90, it is the LCM of these three numbers. It means 90 is exactly divisible by these three numbers. But in the question they have said कि remainder should be 5. It means when I'll divide 90 by 6, it should leave 5 as remainder, है ना? So it means what we have to do is we'll add 5 to 90. So required number will be 90 plus 5, that is 95. This is the answer. Question number 9 is same as question number 4 and 5. So we have already done that question. So you will do this question yourself. And also question number 10 and question number 11. These two questions are also very simple. You just have to find LCM. So you have to do these 3 questions yourself.